Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today I have a very quick lesson for you. We are going to learn how to use avoir hâte, which means to cannot wait. So I've talked about that a lot. You are not supposed to use in French to be excited, the translation of to be excited. A lot of people say je suis excité, and it's totally wrong. You need to use avoir hâte instead. Very important. So we are going to have a look at the pronunciation and then we are going to see grammar and sentences. Don't forget that you can get the free PDF for this lesson. The link is going to be in the description box. If you are on my mailing list, you don't need to go and grab it. It's probably already in your inbox. So for the pronunciation, we have avoir, which is going to be conjugated most likely, and then hâte, hâte. So we don't pronounce the H, and then the A accent circumflex is a soft A. So it's hâte, and we finish by the T because we don't pronounce the E. Hâte, hâte. Okay? Now let's see the grammar and sentences. So usually when we use avoir hâte, it's followed by de and then by a verb. So avoir hâte de. So we have three different things here that we have to see. Avoir is going to be conjugated, either present tense, past, imperfect, anything like that. But it's going to be conjugated depending on the sentences that you use. Hâte de is never going to change. That's the good news. Never going to change, stay the same. And then the verb after de is going to be the infinitive verb. So it's not going to be conjugated either. So the only thing that changes is avoir. The rest is going to stay the same. So if you have a verb ending in er as after de, it's going to stay ending in er. Ending in er, it's going to stay the same, etc. Let's see a few sentences, it's going to be easier. J'ai hâte de recevoir mon diplôme. J'ai hâte de recevoir mon diplôme. I can't wait to get my diploma. Maybe that's you. Il a hâte de parler français. Il a hâte de parler français. He can't wait to speak French. Elle a hâte de commencer à travailler. Elle a hâte de commencer à travailler. She can't wait to start working. So you see, avoir is conjugated every single time. So all of them here are present tense because I use simple sentences. So j'ai, il a, elle a. And then after the de, like I said, it's not conjugated. The verb is not conjugated. We keep the infinitive form of it. So the first one is recevoir, infinitive form. Second one, parler, ending in er. And then commencer, which is also er. It's actually a video that I'm going to make soon, when to use the participe passé or when to use the infinitive form of the verb. So that will come soon. And finally, another sentence that we use a lot is to really express how excited you are. We say j'ai tellement hâte. J'ai tellement hâte. I cannot wait. So here we don't have we don't have the second verb because it's already implied in the conversation. If you're talking about going on vacation, you can just answer, j'ai tellement hâte. I cannot wait. You don't have to say, I cannot wait to go on vacation. You can just say, I cannot wait. Because you already know what the conversation is about. So this one is a good one to answer how excited you are about something that you're already talking about in a conversation. Also a very good point to impress your professor or your French-speaking friends or anybody who speaks French. J'ai tellement hâte. That's it. It was a very simple lesson, but don't forget to use avoir hâte instead of excité, because trust me, you don't want to say that. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video as well. Leave me a comment if you have a question, and I will see you soon for another lesson.